Jamaican music legend Beenie Man is thrilled to announce the launch of the second edition of his free music workshops for youth, specifically targeting children ages 6 to 14. The initiative aimed at nurturing the next generation of musical talent. The workshop, which took place on Saturday, June 14 in Kingston, was a resounding success, bringing together dozens of enthusiastic children eager to learn the ins and outs of music creation. The renowned artiste took a moment to thank his dedicated team, including his son Mosiah, sisters, friends, band members, videographer, and most importantly, his wife Camille, whom he refers to as the real backbone of the initiative. Beenie Man's appreciation for his support system was evident in the post, underscoring the collective effort behind making the workshop a reality for young Jamaicans. The workshop, which will be available on multiple platforms, including TVJ and YouTube, covered key aspects of music creation, including vocals, beat making, audio engineering, songwriting, producing. The workshops aim to equip young minds with the skills and confidence to pursue their musical dreams, giving them a strong foundation in both the creative and technical aspects of music production.